Grand Canary Islands. Dejean is coming at you. World travelers making it happen once more and again. What is it? You hear a little Spanish in the back, so we ain't lying. We ain't somewhere. We almost close to Africa. We're gonna catch a little flight over there. Girls soaking it all up. But right now the water belongs to the girls. Trying to make it happen. If you look closely behind you, before me, you can see where the people have built their house into the mountain. There's a real big hole right there, if you can see it. And there's another place where you can build your own house. Just dig your hole and make a little front, and there you go.
Come on, y'all. This is how we do it in the Big Easy.
House is in the mountain. Probably one of the highest mountains. You can see at the top there is your main man, Jesus. Which indicates that we own this. So we gotta have some canaries. We're in the Canary Islands, right? So we gotta have some canaries. So this is the mountain, the top of the mountain, and we're going to go inside the mountain. Like a little Mary altar up here. So right now I am inside the mountain, a house, and I'm looking outside. This will be my bedroom, on my window, on my door. I'm walking out. I'm gonna walk out. Look around for you guys briefly. This is the side of a mountain. And that's the bathroom right there. Now I'm gonna go inside to the bedroom and check out my bed. This is my living room, dining room. Here's the bed. See, the houses are really not that far in, but it's enough to where it's comfortable. There's your girl, Fake Mary. And this is how they live. There go your little cross. Lying about the Mary thing. Andy Bebo. He's through. Bebo. Could you live here?
No.
So we're gonna go back inside again to the mountain. Throw some white paint up there, some tiles down, got some running water, a little turlet. Pretty interesting. Turlet. Die Toiletten. Klo.
Das ist ja schön, dass wir hierher gekommen
Oh, good and feeling down. Oh, we're going to the kitchen now. And this is all not with doors, because you know you don't have to worry about nobody robbing you around here, because they got it all under control. So you just leave your door open. And here's your kitchen. How you wash your little stuff and make your little stuff. They got it all pimped out with the lights, stereo TV, modernized. I'm gonna walk around a little bit. Pretty amazing. Yeah. The way they started out, how they do it. Just chop away. Something like we do at home, I guess you would say. When we're getting together to build something or start somebody with their own house, but that's the way they do it here. Well, I never thought in my whole life I would be sitting here, hanging out with my boy. You know what I'm saying? And finally made it over to Africa. We're gonna ride a little bit. This is not quite as, you know. Ooh, reminds me of an amusement park ride. You know what I'm saying? So I'm taking y'all with me. Hold on, that's all I can say. Hold on and go for